Welcome to KK's Art Studio.
And today we're drawing Pikachu.
Yes, we are. Come join us. You ready to draw Pikachu? Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, so your marker's right there. Grab your marker. All right, and the first thing we're gonna do is down the paper right here somewhere. We're gonna draw a line that comes down and will curve out. And it will come in like this. So it's like a curved line. Copy the line I drew like this. Down and then curve out.
Okay.
And then we're gonna copy the same one on this side, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna come across, look at me. I'm gonna come across and I'm gonna go straight like this. And then right here, I'm gonna come down, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna curve out, just like I did on this side. See how it looks the same?
Good job.
And then we're gonna do a line right in the middle. We're just gonna leave a little space on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this. You see how I didn't connect it?
Yeah.
So just draw a horizontal line like that. Perfect, perfect. And then we're gonna draw his arms. So what we're gonna do is from here, I'm gonna curve a little bit in and I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna stop right there. Right here on the side, and I'm gonna come out like this. That's his arm.
That's nice.
And then we're gonna draw his other arm, and that one's gonna come out from here. I'm gonna come out like that. And then we're gonna draw his head. His head's gonna be super big. From his arm right here, I'm gonna curve. I'm gonna come out. And I'm gonna make something that kind of looks like the letter C. Can you do that? It's a little small. Perfect. And then we're gonna go up and we're gonna wrap around like we're drawing his head. So we did this for the head and then we're gonna continue. So I'm not gonna connect that and I'm just gonna make a curve right here. So I'm gonna go like this, like I'm drawing his head. I'm gonna curve like that. Perfect. And then we're gonna draw the other side of the head. So the same way we went down and out, we're gonna do here. So I went down, and then I curved a little at the end. That's his head.
Super.
That looks like that's his arm and that's his other arm?
Yeah, so we're gonna finish the other arm right now, actually. So from the side of his head, where you made his head, we're gonna come out, and that's gonna be his other arm. Nice, good job. You wanna draw his fingers next?
His feet.
His feet, okay, so we could draw his feet. So for his feet, we're gonna come out like we're drawing an oval, and then we'll stop right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side of the body. We're gonna come out again like we're drawing an oval. And then we're gonna draw his toes. So his toes are gonna be a curve or a little loop. We're gonna come in like that. So then for the toes, what I did was I made like a little hook. And then we're gonna do that 2 more times. We're gonna come down and make a loop. And then we're gonna connect it like that. Perfect. And then we're gonna draw his other foot. So his other foot is gonna be the same thing. We're gonna go out like we're making an oval, right? And we're gonna curve it in. Like your feet look a little different. They look cool. And then I'm gonna come in, make a curve like that, and then I'll make another curve. These are his toes, and I'll just connect it like that. And that's his feet. And then we could finish his fingers. For his fingers, I'm gonna draw triangles. So look, I'm gonna go up and draw a little triangle. That's one finger.
One finger.
Right? And then I'm gonna go up, draw another triangle. That's another finger. 3, and then I'm gonna draw 4 triangles.
Okay.
So I drew 4 triangles. Do you see it? I went up, down. That's one triangle. Up, down, up, down.
Up, down.
Can you do it?
Okay. Right here?
Yes, puppy. Those are where his fingers go. Draw 4. I did 4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing on this hand. You drew 2. They look so cute. Next thing we're gonna do is draw his ears. His ears are so cool and pointy, right?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is, right above his head, I'm gonna draw a little point. That's it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to the head and curve it in like that. That's one side of the ear. Yep, and then the other side, we're gonna go from the same point, right? And then we're gonna curve it to the other side of the head. That's one of his ears.
Whoa.
And then we're gonna draw his other ear. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a point. You see this side of his head? We're just gonna go right to the side, right? And then a little down, right over here. Draw a point. Yeah, and then we're gonna do the same thing how we drew the ears, remember? So we're gonna curve a line that connects to the point. And then we're gonna do another, look, another curve that comes in and connects to the head. And then we're gonna draw his tail, right?
Yeah.
His tails are a whole bunch of zigzags. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line like this that connects to his head.
Ear to his head.
Perfect. And then right here, we're gonna just draw a curve. Look what I did. Look, a curve just like this from his ear to his hand. Perfect. And then right here, we're gonna come out of his body, right? And we're gonna draw a little point. And then we're gonna draw two lines like this that look like a triangle. Does this look like a triangle to you? Look.
Yes.
Yeah, so draw a little triangle right there.
Right here?
So I went up like to his arm.
Oh, here.
And then I connected to the point. And then we could draw the details of the face. That's like the funnest part. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna make this a little lower. But we could draw his little cheeks, like the little circles on his cheek. So on the side of his face, look, we're gonna go like this and we're gonna draw a big circle like this. Yeah, you could even draw it bigger than that if you want. The next one, look, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna come out and draw a big round thing. Then we're gonna draw his mouth. His mouth's gonna be open and smiling. So what we're gonna do is,
Smiley face.
a smiley face, right? Right in the middle, at the bottom towards the circles, right? Near the circles, puppy. We're gonna draw a little dot and we're gonna draw like a kitty cat mouth. You know how a kitty cat mouth goes like this? Oh my God, that's perfect. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a big letter U. So you see how this looks like the letter U? You go like this. Whoa, and it's connected. And then I'll go like this for his tongue on mine. Next step is we're gonna draw his nose. So his nose is gonna be like a little triangle that's facing down. So we're gonna draw a little straight line like that.
Really?
And then we're gonna draw a triangle. Look, go down and then down. And then his eyes. So his eyes are two big circles. So I'm gonna draw one on this side. I'm gonna draw one circle here. Yeah, and then another one. All right, guys, so there's our Pikachu. I think yours looks super awesome.
Thank you.
And now we could color it in. So we could pick whatever color we want. You could use crayon, markers, anything that you guys have. So we're gonna fast forward this part while we color. Alright guys, here we have the final products of our Pikachus. How'd you like it? Was it easy for you, Lenny?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was easy.
And yours looks perfect. It looks just like mine. I love it. You did a great job, and hopefully you guys found it easy too. And I know you guys did a great job. So please stay tuned for our next videos where we draw all sorts of animals and cool characters. Thank you guys.